What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Friggin' see it, nothing. There it is. Oh, wait. Come on out. Come here. Come here. Go see April. Show everybody how big you are. He's well over 11 feet now, almost 12 feet. You can't get on the floor. You know the house rules. We don't ever know what anybody's got on their feet or their shoes, so they don't go on the floor. Shoot. Come here. Come here. No, no floor. Who can't get on the floor? No floor. No floor. I'm sorry. You know the rules. Come here. Come here. Come up here. I guess she can get me if you'll come up here. I want you to come out so people can see how big you are. You're giving me a hard time. Oh. There. So I want to go play and you keep pulling me over there. You're not getting on the floor. No. I said no. No floor. No. No floor. No. 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 Yeah. Listen. No floor. Ugh. Crush my shoulder. Okay. There, that's it. Go back in your plastic coat so April can get a shot of how long you are. There. There you go. Keep going. No, you're not getting on the floor. We'll do it this way. Put your towel in here. You go get on your towel. There. Now you can get a picture of how long you go. There you go. Muscle man. He is pure muscle. I used to be able to haul him around by myself. That doesn't happen anymore. You're not getting on the floor. No. I said no. No floor. He's determined. No floor. No floor. You're being hard-headed today. You know what no means. Yeah, you know what no means. There you go. Oh, not my end table. You're in a mission to get in the crack today, aren't you? Come on. Come on. How about go up here again? There, hang out up there. Go see April. Go see April. Where's your tail? Well, there's your tail. Look at that tail. You sound like a ripe watermelon, Chewy.
Chew what?
He looking at you?
Hmm?
Yeah. Is that April? Huh? Is that April?
Huh?
Is that your friend? Is that your friend? She's a good friend. You can trust her.
Staring at something.
The
light. Yeah.
Look at you. You're so massive. You're so huge. Go see April. Go see April. So you better quit doing that. I'm going to bite you. Go see April. I'll put you over.
No, don't put them on me.
No, I'm not.
You can't record them and hold a snake at the same time.
I can't do anything and hold this snake at the same time. Come here. Look at you. You're pure muscle.
Ain't you, butt?
You gotta be the biggest carpet python in the United States, male coastal. You gotta be. Yeah.
You
That
bud.
baby. There's April. Coming right to you. Oh, it's crushing my abdomen. That length.
I don't know where you're going.
He's just coming to visit. Boop, boop, boop.